Hey, welcome back to Sample Sunday. It's your boy Mike Snow. Let's get into it. So this week, here's the sample I started with. Now on top of that, layer these 808s as a baseline. On top of that, I manually made this build up out of snares. And now after the drop, I started with this kick and this clap. Now on top of that, I added these hi-hats. Next, I added a crash and these vocal chants. Next thing I did was add this riser and make another drop. Now after that, went back, did some mixing, some mastering, some effects. Here's the final product. Download it for free from my SoundCloud.